Hi everyone, today we are going to see about access specifier. What is an access specifier? Specifier is nothing but a noun. It is an object or an item. What is access? Access means to make use of. Anything method or variable you can declare and define it as public method or private method or protected method. It can be both method or variables. Access specifier comes into a picture only when we define a class. Without class, we cannot use access specifier. We have three different types of access specifier: public method, private method and protected method. Inside the class only we are using, not outside the class. Now let us see an example. Now I am going to type an example program. Class, I am declaring class as a sample. I am defining a public method. In this I am defining a method, method 1. Just I am typing some code. And ending the method. Now I am ending the class. Now I am going to create an object for this class. That is nothing but object just obj equal to class name sample dot new. Now I am calling this method 1 by using the object dot method 1. Now I am going to save this program. Access.rb. Now I am going to run this program. Sorry, the font size is so small. I think now it is visible. File name .rb. Now we got an output as this is a public method. Yeah, we can access this public method. These can be accessed using object. Public can be used only objects. Now let us see about private and protected methods. I am just modifying this program itself for better understanding. I am defining the private method and defining a method def method 2. This is a private method. Just I am ending this method. Now I am calling this private method by using this object. saving the program and compiling and running. Here we got an output as this is a public method and private method we can't be accessible. We have some error because private method can't be accessed using object. They can be only accessed by public methods of the same class. This is similar to the protected method, but it has some difference. I am defining for this protected method also for better understanding. I am ending this class. Just I am calling this protected method alone. Now I am doesn't calling this private method because we need to see the difference. And saving the program. After that I am compiling. So here also same error occurred for protected method also. In protected method, we can define a public method under the same class and create the object for the class. Now we can use this object to call a protected method. We see that the object can access the protected method. Now I am declaring one public method because to access the private and protected methods. Now I am defining that method as method 4. I am going to access these two private and protected methods alone. So I am giving method 2, method 4. Sorry, method 3. I made a mistake. Sorry, I forgot to give an end. Now I am calling this object.method 4 because I have called these two methods in this public method itself. So I am given here object.method 4. Now I am saving this program. I am going to run that program. Now we got an output. This is a public method, this is a private method, this is a protected method. Likewise, we can access this private and protected method. Here we have created a method 4 as public and method 2 and 3, these are private methods, private and protected methods. Private and protected methods can be accessed using public methods only. That only we have seen before. Then you all have one doubt, difference between private and protected method. Let us see an example for that and I will explain it. I'm creating a method 5 and I'm creating an object is equal to, for this class itself, build.new. After that, sample.method 3, and I am ending the method. Here I am calling justify because I am going to access only protected method to see the output what it is happening. I need to save this. After that only I need to run. Sorry. Now I am running the program again. Now we got an output like this is a public method, this is a protected method. We didn't call the private method, so it is not accessing. Now we need to access this private method also. Let us see what happens. Here itself I will change the saving the program. Here it arises an error. This is the main difference between the protected and private method. In protected method, we have defined a public method. Let us go to an example and after that I will explain. In protected method, we have defined a public method under the same class and created the object for the class. Now we use this object to call a protected method. We see that the object can access the protected method. But in private method, we cannot access the object within the same class. This is the main difference. We can recap overall what are all the topics we have seen in access specifiers. In access specifier, we have seen public, private and protected. Public means they can be accessed using objects. Private, they cannot be accessed using object. They can be only accessed by public methods of the same class. Protected is same as the private method. We have mentioned the difference by using the programs. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thanks for watching.